My name's Rachel Drayson from the National Union of Students in the UK, and I'm just going to give you a quick introduction to the European Student Sustainability Auditing Project. The European Student Sustainability Auditing Project, or ESSA project for short, has been a 3-year project funded by the European Commission through its Erasmus Plus programme between 2016 and 2019. It focuses on social responsibility and sustainability within universities in the European higher education area. Social responsibility is about the promotion of equity, justice and democracy within higher education. It should be embedded across all parts of our universities, within teaching, research, within management, throughout governments, public engagement and environmental management. As public institutions, many see universities as having a moral imperative to enable students to develop the values and attributes that will contribute to creating a better world for present and future generations. Developing key skills and knowledge related to social responsibility during their degrees, which then enables students to make those contributions in their future professional lives, is an important role for universities. Therefore, the key objectives of the project have been to better understand how social responsibility and sustainability are embedded across institutions. This has been delivered through developing a flexible approach to student learning, assessment and certification, allowing students to engage with real-world issues, enhancing the use of student or learner-centred approaches, and effectively integrating practical training and learning in and from real-world situations. The project as a whole is centred around a certificate in social responsibility. ESSA, during the funding period, has been delivered by 8 partner organisations, with a consortium including 5 student organisations and 3 universities from across the European higher education area, each bringing their own expertise to the project. The partners are Kaunas University of Technology, Kaunas University of Technology Students' Union, University of Porto, Student Association of the Faculty of Psychology and Education Sciences at the University of Porto, the University of Edinburgh, Edinburgh University Students' Association, the European Students' Union and the National Union of Students in the UK. The benchmark standards for university social responsibility, developed through a previous round of Erasmus Plus funding, have provided a framework for the ESSA project. They are based on good practice examples from across Europe alongside internationally recognised social responsibility standards and cover 4 key themes: research, teaching, support for learning and public procurement, governance, environmental and societal sustainability and fair practices. A brief description summarises each theme here, but each is supported by a number of specific criteria outlining the expectations for good practice that should be placed on universities. These standards will be covered in more detail through the training you're about to complete. Students participating in the project undergo a journey as shown by this diagram. Following a recruitment process, students complete the auditor training programme, delivered through a mixture of online and face-to-face learning. The training is designed to allow students to become familiar with the concept of university social responsibility and also learn about and practice key methodologies that will be used during the 5-day social responsibility audit they will deliver. Upon completion of the audit, the team of auditors produces an audit report for the host university detailing their findings and recommendations. The assessment process for the Certificate in Social Responsibility Auditing sits alongside the training and audit, with students completing interim and final assessment reports. Achievement of the certificate is equivalent to 5 ECTS credits at level 6. Through the ESSA project, we hope participation encourages a generation of young auditors to champion social responsibility within their institutions and beyond, holding their institutions to account and taking these ideas, skills and attributes forward into their future professional lives.